Hello guys, in today's tutorial we are going to see some hidden features in Microsoft Word that we should know. Some of us might actually be saying some of these hidden features actually know them, but believe me, there are some you actually don't know here, and I'm going to be showing you just that. Alright, so the first we have is the read aloud. How can Microsoft Word actually read what we're having in our document? Alright, first I'm just going to bring in some text here. Alright, brought in some text. So for us to be able to access that feature, which is the read aloud, this is what we're going to do. You come here, you right click, you see this, they'll click on add to quick access. Alright, so let's just add it to quick access toolbar. You click on quick access toolbar. Alright, so after clicking on the quick access toolbar, you come here and then you just scroll down and search for read aloud. Alright, read aloud. Now this is it right here. So I just click on this and then I add it to my quick access and then click OK. Now this is it here, it has been added. Alright, so if I now wanted to read aloud what I'm having here, I'll just first highlight it. Okay, highlight to this point and then I click on read.
Video provides a powerful way to help you.
Next we have is open and repair. So you might actually be wondering what is open and repair. Now if for instance we want to actually open a file in Microsoft Word, but that file is actually having maybe a virus or it's been corrupted, we can actually open it in Microsoft Word and repair. Now how can we do just that? You come straight to your file. After clicking on your file, you come down to open. Good. Then you click on browse. Alright, so you can just go ahead and select the file. Alright, so let's say this is a file now. We click on this and then you see the open here. Instead of clicking on this open, you click on this little triangle here. Good. Then you see the open and repair. Then you can click on it. Immediately you click on it, it actually opens it. So if you're having a Microsoft Word file that is refusing to open, this is just how you can do that. Alright, we also have what we call the smart lookup. Now how can the smart lookup actually be of help to us? Alright, I'm just going to get some words here. So now with the smart lookup, it can actually help us search for a particular word we want to get some information about. Alright, so I'm just going to highlight what I want to search for. Then after highlighting it, I right click on it. Then I'll come down here to search elements. I'll click on search elements. Alright, so it actually brings out information concerning elements, and this is it right here. Alright, so I'm actually seeing some chemical elements. So this is just how we can actually use the smart lookup or the search in Microsoft Word, the clipboard. Now, the clipboard, we all know what the clipboard is mostly used for, right? To copy. Alright, now when you copy, it goes straight to your clipboard. So now how can we actually copy so many and we can actually still find them from our clipboard? Alright, so I'm just going to open my clipboard first by clicking on this little drop down arrow here. Good, now this comes out. So now this is what I have copied. So I want to add more. So I'll just copy this now. Copy. It has been added here. I can still decide to copy this one too. Maybe just here. Copy. It has been added. So the more I copy, the more they all come down here and I can paste all of them so many times. I can decide to also clear all of them and I can also decide to paste all of them at the same time here. Alright, so the next we have is the formula. How can we use the formula? Now the formula is actually going to be helping us to calculate. Alright, so to make use of the formula, we are going to come here now to this and search for formula. Now this is it here. Then you right click and then we add it to our access toolbar. Good, now this is it added. Alright, so after I've added it here, now how can I use this? I'll click on it, then I come here, I put in what I wish to calculate. Alright, then I click OK, and this is it here, it has been added here. So this is just how we can actually go about with our calculation in Microsoft Word. Alright, we also have the scroll zoom. Now how can we use it? Now if you're using your mouse, you can just easily scroll through up and down of your document, whichever way. But how about we want to now zoom in and zoom out? You can simply hold your control and then you zoom in and zoom out. This is it. The next we have is actually concerning our page. Now how can we actually be having a portrait and a landscape on the same document? Now when I come to my insert, I'll be inserting a blank page, right? Now if you watch, both are portraits. So how can we make one portrait and the other landscape? Alright, this is what we're going to do. Since both are linked together, what we need to do now is to break it. Now we need to break both of them. So how do we break them? You come straight to your layout and then you will find the break under the page setup group. Now this is the break. You click on your break and then you click on this section break. We click on section break. Now we've broken this and this. After breaking it, the next thing you need to do now is to go to your second page and then come to orientation and make it landscape. All right, so I just made this landscape. So you can actually be having portrait and landscape on the same document. This is just a hidden feature and a secret. So if you'd like to learn more about some hidden features and secrets you should know and will actually help you in becoming a pro or increasing your skill in Microsoft Word, just hit the next video and I will see you right there.